Men over 60, let me ask you something important. Have you noticed your legs feeling weak when you get up from a chair? Or maybe your hands tingle at night, almost like pins and needles crawling under your skin? Most people chalk this up to just aging, but what if I told you that one of the hidden causes is something your body is slowly running out of? Collagen. Yes, collagen, the protein that literally holds your joints, skin, muscles, and blood vessels together. By the time you reach 60, your natural collagen levels may have dropped by more than 50%. This silent loss is one reason your legs feel unstable, your grip weakens, and circulation suffers. The good news? Science shows that certain foods rich in collagen and collagen-boosting nutrients can restore strength, improve blood flow, and even reverse those annoying tingling sensations in your hands and feet. Stay with me because today, I'll show you exactly which collagen-rich foods to eat, how to prepare them, and real-life stories of men who regained their vitality by making these simple changes. Why collagen declines? Now, let's break it down. Collagen is the most abundant protein in your body. It acts like the glue that keeps everything firm and functional. Your cartilage, tendons, skin, blood vessels, and even your gut lining depend on it. The problem is, after age 30, collagen production naturally slows down. By 60, your body is producing a fraction of what it used to. Add in poor diet, smoking, alcohol, or years of sugar-heavy foods, and the decline is even faster. What happens next? Your blood vessels lose elasticity, reducing blood flow to your hands and legs. Your cartilage thins, causing stiffness and weakness. And your nerves? They don't get the nourishment they need, leading to tingling, numbness, and sometimes pain. Doctors often prescribe medications for nerve pain, but they rarely talk about the root issue, nutritional support for collagen. And that's exactly what we'll cover today. By targeting your diet, you can rebuild your body's collagen reserves, strengthen your blood vessels, and support your muscles in ways that medication alone simply cannot. The diet connection. So why does diet matter so much? Think of collagen as a house. Your body is the builder, but it can't construct anything unless it has the right raw materials. Collagen requires amino acids like glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, along with vitamin C, zinc, and copper to knit the fibers together. Without these nutrients, your body struggles to make strong connective tissue. This is why eating the right foods, collagen-rich and collagen-boosting, can make all the difference. In fact, clinical studies show that men over 60 who increased collagen in their diet experienced less joint stiffness, stronger grip strength, and better blood flow in just a few weeks. Think about that. With a few smart changes to your plate, you can go from shaky legs and tingling hands to steady movement and confidence again. And don't worry, you won't need expensive powders or complicated diets. Everyday foods can do the job. Let's explore the top 5 collagen-rich foods that should be on your plate starting today. Food number 1, bone broth. The first food on our list is bone broth. Now, this isn't just old-fashioned soup. It's liquid gold for your joints, muscles, and nerves. When you simmer beef, chicken, or turkey bones for hours, the collagen breaks down into gelatin, which your body absorbs easily. This gelatin is packed with glycine and proline, the very building blocks your body needs to rebuild collagen. I had a patient, James, 68 years old, who struggled with stiffness every morning. After adding 1 cup of homemade bone broth to his dinner every night, within a month he told me, "Doctor, my knees don't sound like rusty hinges anymore." Bone broth is simple. Add bones, onions, garlic, carrots, and let it simmer 12 to 24 hours. Strain and drink it warm. Not only will it help your joints, but it also supports gut health and sleep quality, thanks to glycine's calming effect. If you've been dealing with tingling in your hands or legs, bone broth should be your go-to starting point. Food number 2, fatty fish. The second powerhouse food is fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These fish are not only high in protein but also contain omega-3 fatty acids, which fight inflammation in your joints and improve circulation. Studies show that omega-3s help protect nerve endings, reducing that burning or tingling feeling you might feel in your fingers and toes. And here's the bonus. Fish skin itself is rich in collagen peptides. That means when you eat salmon with the skin, you're giving your body a direct dose of collagen. One of my older patients, Mark, age 72, started eating grilled salmon twice a week. He used to have trouble climbing stairs, but after 6 weeks he reported that his legs felt lighter and stronger, and his grip improved when gardening. If you can, aim for 2 servings of fatty fish per week. A squeeze of lemon not only adds flavor but also boosts vitamin C, which helps your body use the collagen more effectively. Food number 3, eggs. The third food may surprise you: eggs. While eggs don't contain collagen directly, their whites are rich in proline, an essential amino acid your body uses to make collagen. The yolks are full of vitamins like B12, selenium, and choline, which support nerve function and muscle strength. One of the simplest breakfasts you can make is scrambled eggs with spinach. Not only do you get the proline from eggs, but the vitamin C in spinach helps knit collagen fibers together. I recall a patient named Robert, who at 65 complained of numbness in his fingertips. We added 3 eggs to his weekly breakfast routine, and after a few months, he was playing piano again with more confidence. Small changes, big impact. Eggs are affordable, versatile, and powerful. Food number 4, citrus fruits. Now, collagen cannot be built without vitamin C. It's non-negotiable. That's where citrus fruits come in. Oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes provide the vitamin C your body needs to transform amino acids into collagen. Without enough vitamin C, collagen simply breaks down faster, leaving your joints and blood vessels weaker. If you've noticed easy bruising or slow wound healing, that's often a sign of low vitamin C. A simple glass of fresh orange juice in the morning or a grapefruit as a snack can give your body a boost. I remember a patient who added half a lemon to his water every morning. After 3 months, he not only had less stiffness in his knees but also healthier-looking skin. The beauty of citrus fruits is they don't just help with collagen, they also keep your immune system strong. So next time you think about grabbing a soda, swap it for citrus. Food number 5, dark leafy greens. Finally, let's talk about dark leafy greens, spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. These vegetables are rich in chlorophyll, which studies suggest may increase the precursor molecules your body uses to make collagen. They're also packed with magnesium, vitamin K, and antioxidants that protect your blood vessels and nerves. Weak legs are often connected to poor circulation, and leafy greens do. How these foods work together. Now here's the secret. It's not just about one food. It's about synergy. Collagen foods work best when combined. For example, bone broth provides the amino acids, but citrus fruits provide the vitamin C to knit them together. Fish gives you omega-3s to reduce inflammation, while leafy greens improve blood flow to deliver nutrients to your nerves and muscles. Eggs add proline, completing the building block puzzle. Think of your diet as a construction site. Each food brings a tool or material to the job. Together, they build strong legs, steady hands, and better vitality. Real success story number 1. Let me share a story that might inspire you. John, a 67-year-old retired teacher, came to me with complaints of tingling feet and unstable legs. He worried about falling while walking to the mailbox. Instead of only prescribing medication, we designed a collagen-focused meal plan: bone broth for dinner, salmon twice a week, eggs for breakfast, citrus fruit daily, and leafy greens with lunch. Within 8 weeks, John's balance improved noticeably. He told me, "I feel like my legs are back under me again." More importantly, his confidence returned. That's the power of targeted nutrition. It doesn't just fix symptoms, it restores quality of life. Real success story number 2. Another patient, Henry, 72, had struggled with weak grip strength. He dropped tools while working in his garage and even had trouble opening jars. His nerves felt numb, and he feared losing independence. By simply adding bone broth and citrus fruit daily, along with eggs 3 times a week, his hand strength improved. He proudly showed me he could once again fix things around his house. Imagine the joy of feeling capable again, not limited by tingling hands. Henry's story is proof that collagen nutrition is more than science. It's about living fully, emotional connection. Now let's pause here. Gentlemen, I know it can be frustrating to feel your body changing as you age. Weak legs, tingling hands, slower recovery, it feels like time is taking something from you. But I want you to know something: it's not too late. Your body still has the ability to heal, rebuild, and regain strength if you give it the right tools. You are not powerless against aging. Collagen-rich foods are nature's way of saying, here's a second chance. Whether you're 60, 70, or beyond, you can take back control. Practical tips. So how do you start? Here are some practical tips. Begin your day with 2 scrambled eggs and a glass of orange juice. For lunch, have a spinach or kale salad with grilled chicken or salmon. Snack on citrus fruits or a handful of nuts for added zinc. At dinner, enjoy a cup of bone broth before your main meal. This isn't a strict diet, it's a lifestyle adjustment. By consistently eating these foods, your collagen levels will slowly rebuild, improving strength, circulation, and nerve health. What to avoid? Of course, we also need to talk about what to avoid. Sugar, processed foods, and too much alcohol are collagen killers. They accelerate breakdown, stiffen your arteries, and make nerve tingling worse. If you've been drinking sodas or eating lots of fried foods, cutting back will make your collagen-boosting efforts far more effective. Replace soda with lemon water. Swap fried snacks for baked options. Every small choice matters. Extra boosters. In addition to foods, certain habits enhance collagen production. Gentle strength training, walking, and stretching increase blood flow to deliver nutrients to your tissues. Adequate sleep allows your body to repair itself. Even something as simple as staying hydrated supports collagen function, since it relies on water to maintain structure. Think of food as the foundation and lifestyle as the builder. Together, they create results you can feel. Common questions. You might be wondering, do I need supplements? While collagen powders exist, I often recommend starting with whole foods first. They provide not just collagen but also the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants your body needs. Supplements can be helpful if diet isn't enough, but they should never replace real food. Another question I hear is, how long before I feel results? Most men notice changes within 6 to 8 weeks. Less tingling, stronger legs, improved grip. The key is consistency, motivation through example. Think of famous athletes who age gracefully. Many of them credit collagen and diet for keeping them active in their 60s and 70s. But you don't need to be an athlete to benefit. Even if your goal is simply walking without fear of falling or holding your grandchild without hand pain, collagen nutrition can help. Every meal is a chance to build strength. Final success story. One final story. Bill, age 74, came to me exhausted and unsteady. He worried about losing his independence. After 10 weeks of consistent collagen-rich eating, bone broth, fish, eggs, citrus, and greens, he regained enough strength to go fishing again with his grandson. He told me, "Doctor, I feel like myself again." That's why I believe so strongly in this approach. It doesn't just add years to your life, it adds life to your years. Closing motivation. Gentlemen, I want to leave you with this. Aging doesn't mean decline. It means adaptation. Your body is waiting for the right fuel to rebuild. Weak legs and tingling hands are not your destiny. They are signals that your body needs support. Collagen-rich foods are your allies. Every bite can be a step towards strength, stability, and vitality. Call to action. So here's your action plan. Starting today, add 1 collagen-rich food to your daily routine. Whether it's a cup of bone broth, a serving of salmon, a plate of leafy greens, or a simple glass of orange juice, take that first step. Over the coming weeks, your body will thank you with stronger legs, steadier hands, and renewed confidence. And if you found this video helpful, share it with a friend who needs encouragement. Remember, gentlemen, you are never too old to rebuild strength. Goodbye weak legs and tingling hands. Hello vitality.